Hey y'all, I'm James Wright and welcome to my shop, and this is not an April Fool's video. Yes, I asked AI to write a script for me. So yes, an all hand tool shop. I actually do use AI from time to time in writing copy and things like that for the website. But in script writing, I wondered how advanced is it? So I wanted to give it a try. How does it do with hand tools? So I gave it a prompt and it spit out an 8-minute video on how to sharpen a chisel. Let's take a look at this. Roll the footage. Hey woodworkers! Sharpening your chisels is one of the most fundamental skills for any hand tool enthusiast. In this video, I'll break down how to sharpen your chisels like a pro, whether you prefer freehand sharpening or using power tools. The importance of sharp chisels. Before diving in, let's talk about why razor-sharp chisels matter. Sharp chisels cut cleanly, leaving a smooth surface and precise joinery. Dull chisels lead to frustration, tear out, and can be potentially dangerous. Essential equipment. Sharpening stones. I recommend a range. Coarse for major repairs, medium for regular sharpening, and a fine stone for honing. Water stones or oil stones are great traditional options. Diamond stones are faster. Honing guide. Optional. Helps maintain a consistent bevel angle if you're new to freehand sharpening. Bench grinder. Optional. For quick resharpening of significant damage or repair. Safety gear. Safety glasses are a must, especially when power sharpening. Freehand sharpening. Let's start with freehand sharpening. This creates a reference surface. Do this first on a coarse stone. Primary bevel. Choose an angle. 25 degrees is common. Hold the chisel steady. Apply even pressure. Use back and forth strokes. Micro bevel. Slightly steeper angle, 30 degrees. Short strokes will form this honed, super sharp edge. Flip over and remove the burr. A few strokes on the back, remove the metal burr. Test cut in some wood. Check for clean cuts. Power sharpening. Power sharpening is faster, but heat buildup is the enemy. Shallow grind. Dip the chisel in water frequently to keep it cool. Aim for that initial bevel angle. Refine stones. Using a stone, refine the bevels and remove the burr, just like freehand sharpening. Maintenance and stropping. Don't resharpen from scratch every time. Stropping between uses keeps the edge razor keen. Just a few strokes on a leather strop charged with compound keeps this thing going strong. Common problems and fixes. Let's troubleshoot. Round bevels means inconsistent angle. Use a honing guide initially. Chipped edges, usually from too much grinding pressure. Go gentle and back to stones. Unevenness. Check your stones for flatness. You might need to flatten them. Final thoughts. Outro. Remember, practice makes perfect. It takes time to master chisel sharpening, so be patient whenever freehand or with power. The key is consistency and knowing your tools. Thanks for watching. If this video has been helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more hand tool tips. Yeah, so yeah, there you have it. Yeah, AI is not quite there yet, but it's surprisingly better than I expected. Just not great for good how-to information. Now, if I were making an ASMR video, I might actually use it for that, because there's some interesting ideas there. But for the actual how-to and the tips and tricks and things that actually will help you do it, it's fun. So yeah, this is an interesting experiment for me, and I wanted to kind of play with it. And I gave it the prompt that told it to write a how to sharpen chisels video in the form of Wood by Wright. I also asked it to give me some of the suggestions for the camera angles and what to shoot. So this whole thing was scripted out. It was supposed to be an 8-minute long video, but it fell a little short of that. I don't know if it expected me to talk that much slower or if it wanted me to put in more clips, but I did what it told me to do, and this is what you get. So I thought this is kind of a fun experiment. Who knows, maybe in a couple years I'll redo this and see if it gets any better. But for right now, I don't think I'm going to have AI doing any more scripts. So, yeah. I hope you like this kind of fun, a bit intriguing, and I'd love to hear your thoughts on it. Throw those down below. I'd love to read them and see what you're thinking. That does actually help out the channel. Just like, comment, share, subscribe. You know all those things. Man, I should have had the AI write this section. But instead, I'm going to say thank you to you guys because you are the ones who are sponsoring this channel. Particularly these people over here. Those are some of the patrons on Patreon. And between patrons and members, you are the ones who make this happen. So, thank you. I guess. But if you like that and would like to help out with Patreon, think about becoming a member or clicking the little join button down below, and I think that'll do it for now. Until next time, have a wonderful day. So what exactly happens if a frog's car breaks? It gets towed. Yes, AI actually gave me that one too. I think I'll stick to mine.